Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to create a photo collage on iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like and subscribe. And let's get started. So first, tap on App Store, and in the search bar of App Store, search for Collage Maker. Then tap search. Then tap this icon to download the application on our iPhone. After installing Collage Maker, tap open and tap allow. Tap allow full access, allow, and tap here. Great. So now select the grid that you want. For example, I'll select this. Perfect. Now select your first picture, tap plus icon and select the first picture. I select this and tap done. Perfect. Here you can zoom your picture and move it to right or left or up or down. Then select second picture. For example, I'll select this and tap done. Perfect. And finally select the third picture. For example, I'll select this. Perfect. Now you can easily add some features like add text or change filter. You can do this here. For example, if you want to change filter, tap filter, and we have a multiple filter here. You can select any one you want, and also you can control it here. Perfect. Here you can also add text on your image. Tap text, and for example, hashtag example, and tap here. Let's control and add it here. Okay. Here you can adjust the text for easy. You can also change the font that you want. You can also change the color of text from here, like this. Then tap OK. To save this picture in your iPhone, tap this icon and tap Save as a Photo. Now your picture has been saved on your iPhone. To open your picture, move to Photos, and that's your picture. So that's it, how you can make a collage photo. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.